Alright, we're set up on Starvation Reservoir. We're trying to redeem ourselves. Last time we were here, we fished for 2 days and caught 1 fish. It was terrible. Today will probably be the same. But we got poles in the water. We just got everything else set up and we're ready to hopefully catch some fish. We've got the whole crew here today. We've got the kids, the wife, and the live scope. It's like one of the kids. It costs more than the kids did, so we're gonna hopefully catch some fish. All right, our first fish of the day. Madison hooked onto it here. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. All right, a little rainbow. All right, we'll get him unhooked. Been here way too long for not catching fish. Finally, we caught one. All right. Our second fish of the day here. Finally hooked onto another one. His biting has been slow. Fish come in and they don't really bite much. They just kind of look at it and they take off. So,
can I hold it?
Yeah. Madison's going to show the fish off for us. Show the camera and put it back in the hole, buddy.
Nice, that's a decent rainbow.
Alright, good job, bud. We're getting ready to cook us some lunch and happen to have fish come in and we got him on. Hopefully we can get him out of the hole. He's a little bit nicer than the other ones we've been catching.
Oh, wow, wow. Wow. Some cool colors on that thing too.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, that's a nice rainbow.
This guy's been beat up and
We'll show you.
I'll show you a closer on the camera. Look at its jaw down there. It's almost split in half in one spot. He's been beat up.
I see a shark.
Yeah, right there he's got a split in his jaw right there. Don't know if you can see that or not. But man, that's a nice rainbow. Probably the nicest rainbow I've ever caught. Look at it, Denver. Do you like that fish? Oh, let's get him back in the water and hopefully catch some more like that.
Mom, he was beat up by a shark.
Too bad we didn't catch that guy during the fishing tournament. That would have been nice. Another nice fish.
Really?
Alright, we hooked onto another one. Feels like another nice fish. It's fighting pretty good. This one's not beat up quite as bad.
There he
goes with all my hooks and everything.
Oh, darn
I
it.
guess I should have been a little smarter and reached out of the hole to grab it.
Your hook fell right to the bottom. I think it's out of his mouth.
Yep. Well, we'll get re-rigged with that same setup that we had and hopefully catch some more fish. When they come in, they're coming in really fast and they take it and then they're just gone. If you don't get the hook set, they're just gone.
And the whale was fishing. Oh. What in the world just happened?
Look at that mess. It was wrapped up like crazy.
Wow.
Alright, Shayna's on a fish here. Maybe she can get down the hole. Well, she's going to make a mess doing it.
You took my hook. It's out of the water.
It's got its hook in its mouth, not attached to the line. We'll get our hook back and get him back in the water. Alright, Shayna just hooked onto another one.
Get it, Mom.
That's a nicer rainbow. All right. That is a nice rainbow.
Mom, we can name that flop.
Yeah.
Once again, he came in just flying, hit it once or twice, and that is all the chance that you're going to get with these fish.
Oh,
All right, guys, that's a wrap. We got everything cleaned up. We're gonna head back in now and get going down the road. Had a really good time. We probably end up catching 5 or 8 fish, I'm not sure. Not a super fast day of fishing, but it was fun either way. We were out here and just had a great time with the family. Get outside, have an adventure.